His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu abadde ayogerako wali ne bannamawulire mu press conference etudde ku kitebe ekya National Unity Platform. Wabula kyasinze okukola ekisinze okwewunyisa abantu kwe kuyigino walinga ebibadde bigenda mu maaso. Tweets ez'omukulu amanyiddwa nga General Muhoozi Kainerugaba okuviira ddala ku makya olunaku oluwala enaku somwezi nga 6 mwezi gwa January 2025 obadde ng'owulira tubadde tukuwa ensonga nga bwe zitambula. Nakugambye His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu ayanukula ne tweet emu newankubadde nga gwayanukula ateekayo tweets lukunkumuli. Kakati we twogerera nga His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu abadde ne press conference ensonga ye ekyagenda mu maaso ku kitebe ekya National Unity Platform, wabula nga ye His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu amaze okubeera nga ayogera. Mukutu gwa Radio TV weebale kubanga okyagoberera byonna gy'osinzira okubanga gy'otulabira ate naba kubanga osubscribe nga kikole tubeere nga ate tutambula ffenna. Njagala kuwa ebigambo bya His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu naye nga bwe nkugambye kyewunyisiza bangi okulaba nga ayigino walinze byonna ebibadde bigenda mu maaso newankubadde abadde asuubirwa okukola statement, a big statement ku nsonga ezo, wabula wuliriza ebigambo byayogedde bizimba ggwanga era bigenda kubanga bitwala mu maaso naddala mu kadde kano aka enkyukakyuka erwanirwa mu ggwanga erya Uganda. Bwe watonaba kubanga osubscribinga ku mukutu guno kikole tubeere nga ate tutambula ffenna. Wuliriza ebigambo bya His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu naye birimu oluzunguzungu. Bw'obanga oluzungu lwo lutonotono ojja kubanga weeyazikako sayidi awo. Njagala kuwa speech yonna eya His Excellency nzije ate tubeere nga tweyongerayo.
A government employee who could be losing more, but according to the IGG, we lose 10 trillion in corruption. That means we lose 27 billion every day. That means in 5 years we lose 50 trillion. Have you come to think about that? 5 years of Museveni, we lose 50 trillion. Now, let me break it down a little more. According to the regime, government spent 42 billion to build Kawempe Referral Hospital and 37 billion to build Chirudu Hospital. So if we are to build a Chirudu Hospital or a Kawempe Hospital, if we are to build a Chirudu Hospital in every district, in the 142 districts in Uganda, that means it would cost us only 6.1 trillion to have a fully functional hospital in every district. That is less than the money that is stolen in a year. Now, I want you to think about how much that money can do in these other sectors: education, agriculture, infrastructure, and others. Money stolen in 1 year under the watch of Museveni can put a Chirudu hospital in every district in Uganda, and we'll have a balance of 4 trillion. So that is the cost of having a Museveni ruling over you. Stopping corruption just for 1 year would give us that. So imagine a situation where our children don't have to study under trees anymore, where our roads don't have to have potholes anymore. I've not talked about the classified budget, I've not talked about money lost in other areas, but this is just money lost through corruption. That is where we are, ladies and gentlemen. The government data, as if that's not annoying enough, the government data shows you that out of the children that start in P1, only 35% complete P7. 35%. So, if 10 children or 100 children enroll in P1, less than 35 children will complete P7. So imagine looking at a country where 1.8 million children start P1, but 1.2 million children drop out before P7. Where are those children going to go? What is the destiny of those children? They've not had the most basic education, primary education. under the watch of Museveni. They don't care. His wife is the Minister of Education. Never mind the fact that she's not educated. They don't care. To them, they don't care whether these children become criminals. They don't care. Their only solution is to build more prisons and to empower their family members to start up agencies that will ship our children to Arab countries to become modern day slaves. That is where we are as a country, ladies and gentlemen. So imagine in 5 years of Museveni, you will have 6 million children dropping out of school before P7. This has been happening for the last 40 years. I'm only talking about 5 years of Museveni. The damage gets worse and worse. The same regime spends close to 3 billion shillings every day on Museveni's household. Close to 3 billion. But again, the same regime spends less than 20,000 on every child in UPE. Less than 20 for a year. Every day, the government spends close to 3 billion on Museveni's house. But the same government spends less than 20,000 on every child in UPE the whole year, 12 months, 365 days. Now, looking at that, ladies and gentlemen, you would be shocked when you find these our children snatching phones. So when you catch a child stealing your lights or trying to pickpocket on you, yes, you can be angry. Yes, you can punish them. But please understand the cause of the problem. Understand where this problem comes from.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Amanya n'eddoboozi Aji Abudu omusomi w'eddua. Nkola ku nsonga ez'enjawulo, emirimu nga gikutukataganyeeko, ebyenfuna byo nga bidobonkanye, ne oba oli bweru wa ggwanga emirimu gya kucankalanako. Jangu kusomere ku ddua okubeda nedda eddua zaabaawo, eddua zisomebwa, omuntu n'oterezebwa mu mbeera yonna ebadde ekwesibyeko akanyaaga. Nina ekyoto kye nsobola okukumira wadde oli bweru wa ggwanga nga toli kumpi wano n'ofuna omukisa ogwo nawe n'osomerwako ku ddua nga nkuteddeko n'akabaani. Allah ajja kusaasira, ajja kwanukula. Kuba ku namba yange y'essimu 0752 44 71 56 ne ku WhatsApp kwendi mpereza obubaka sobole okuyamba. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.